maybe Noble Device. And then we can do crystal. How about that? It's cool in contrast. Look cool. That's it. Maybe another one. I think it's good. I'm gonna do some crystals on it. So I hold condensed glue gels. This is really simple, easy for all of you who is even beginners, and or if you are a nail tech for a long time and just start to looking for something cool and different. I am using condensed glue gels and no white top coat. It's really cool. It's kind of encapsulate all that stickers. It's really cool though. It's like I have a three-dimensional stickers, but it's a new trendy one, so it's not like the water stickers anything, so it stay really nice and flat on when you're doing it. All right, so no white top coat. Beautiful. Yes, Nuna is absolutely, it's like have a Hawaii vacation. You are absolutely right. It's just like it's deep colors, but it's so like vibrant, right? I don't know. It's just so dark you're seeing it, but it's really, it's cool though. Maybe I should do. Should I do a neon? Or should I do the colors? Color mix or neon? So I have a smaller shape on the anniversary kit. I will take a smaller shape. Let me see. Oh, they do have a smaller shape, everyone. I'm gonna take this just to show you how is this anniversary kits, just for your information. There are 20 compartments here, slots, and then each of them are 20 pieces, except that the last two that have a more mix, which is you see in the tray in front of me. It's really beautiful for really a great price. Such a great price for a small little investment, and there are limits quantities, and the special is and the end of this month. It's a great special for beginners, also for the pros who is looking for something is cool, a different crystal placement. And this one is also come with your tools, which crystal pickers that I have it on the same one I'm using forever and ever, last you forever. And then scoop and tray, and also is your crystal pickers. Your, of course, you have to have this condensed glue gel, 5 milliliters, and then your precision glue, which is the one you see me do it all the times. So just for quick sharing it, and then one of this is arrowheads that I'm gonna using it because this nail is smaller, super cute and smaller. I'm gonna use this guys on here, and then see how it is. Oh, stay right there, don't leave us. Fortunately, it's not bad at all. Stay there. I can really do this in like let me see if you have questions on yes, this one is a great oh great. And you can add the code in for me on Instagram. That will be awesome. Okay. Let me see what I got here. You will never go wrong with this, like from beginners. I would say with this one, there's so many of crystals in here for you to really work with. And then we've been shipping out so many different so many different order, which is the order that's a special anniversary kits. Just give everybody a heads up if it's something you really like. And then we're doing it like every year to appreciate every single of you. We say it, we mean it, and it's special design for you. And if you like it, just grab it, because it's for the value, for that much of value, and you get it for such a great price. I wouldn't like, you will never beat that price. And then we do it because that's appreciation from us to every single of you, and wish you, every single of you, to be really great and successful, because your success is our success. So thank you so much for the love and support. That's why we're here for you. And we so enjoying it every time we go live with you. It's so weird though. Maybe because it's late and I feel like, but I'm still have full energy with everyone. All right, it looks good. I don't know, it looks so much going on this nails. But hey, if you don't want this crystal on, you can completely leave alone, because I think it looks great either way. I just give a lot of options. So like if any of you who is like me, crystal obsessors, like really obsessed, and you can still have a crystal on. But if you don't, hey, you don't have to put them on. I am going to use silver beads, because that the lines that we have it on is silver. You can do black obsidians. I think either way it will stand out great. Let me see. I'm not afraid to try something different, because just in case that we did something wrong, you ladies can always help me and put me back in, like, okay, Nancy, don't do that. Like one day that was Miss Debbie was like, Nancy, you forgot a top coat. See, I won't have to wear it because you ladies had there in support. Foxy said who was gonna go to bed earlier. Sorry, I didn't read that. I was like seeing it. I'll sit and I'll look up. You know, when everything is get over, we're gonna get back to our regulars. When it's doing it like at 6, 7-ish of Central Times. So then everybody can watch live videos, and then you still don't miss all the live tutorial, because we've been doing it for like 2 years. We continue supporting you, even like if you're busy, you can't watch it at the moment. You can always re-watching them, and then we do it because we love you all, and it's like love to support our ladies, and we want you all to be great and be successful. Oh, okay, Facebook looks better now. It looks like a Facebook back to normal. Hopefully it won't acting up again for us. There's a lot of going on with the snails. I do like it. Okay, cute little ladybugs right there. I'm not gonna try to take her away. Right there. Hey, Vicky. Great. You like it? Then key under the LED light for 60 seconds. Just clean up on the edges.